Growing plants indoors not only beautify our house but also help in purifying the air. It is also the best way to stay close to nature. The sight of the greenery around us relaxes our mind and lowers stress. So each one of us should grow plants as it is so fulfilling to see the young plants grow and thrive. If you are a beginner in gardening, in growing plants, then this video will help you to know how to grow plant in a pot and how to take care of your indoor plants. So let's get started. So the first point is selection of pots. You may choose any pots of your choice. It may be a plastic pot, a clay pot, a ceramic pot, or even you may choose a pot made out of waste plastic bottles. You can also use coffee mugs which you no longer use and convert it into a beautiful planter. Point number 2, whichever pot you may choose, make sure that your pot has drainage holes so that whenever you water your plant, the excess water drains out, or else your plant will die due to root rot. Point number 3 is preparing the potting mix. So this is soil which I have collected from my garden, and into this garden soil I'll be mixing fertilizers, organic fertilizers. I have got 2 fertilizers here. This is vermicompost which I bought from the nursery, which is easily available at a very cheap price, 20 or 25 rupees per kg. If you do not have access to this fertilizer, you can also use decomposed cow dung manure. Remember not to use fresh cow dung. Always use dried and decomposed cow dung. So, even if you do not have any fertilizer, do not be discouraged. Simply use your garden soil, and later you can add the fertilizer when you have access to them. Number 4 is preparing the potting mix and potting your plant. So you see, this is vermicompost and I am adding this to the garden soil and mixing it well. You do not worry if you do not have the fertilizer, simply use your garden soil. So this is a plastic pot and I'll cover the holes of the pot with broken pieces of pots. You can use stones, pebbles, whatever is available. If we do not add these brick pieces, then the soil will flow out of the holes. So it is very important to place something over the holes. Now I shall fill the pot with the potting mix. Nearly half of the pot I'll fill it. Now it's time to pot the plant. Now you see, this is a spider plant. You may choose any plant of your choice. So place the plant at the center of the pot and then fill the rest of the soil into the pot. Just remember that do not fill the soil till the brim of the pot. Tap the soil nicely so that there are no air pockets in the soil. So the plantation is done. Now it's time to water the plant thoroughly so that water seeps out of the drainage hole. Water it very nicely, and in a while you will see that water will drain out of the holes. So this is the way we should pot a plant. When you are growing your plants indoors, it is very important to give your plants good amount of light. If you keep your plants in a dark corner of your house, then your plants will not grow. Preferably, you can keep your plants near a window where it receives good indirect light. So just remember, wherever you are keeping your plants, they should get good light, medium to bright light. You should mist your plants with a spray bottle. Doing this cleans the leaves of the plant and keeps the plant fresh and healthy. Remember, no plants can survive if you keep them indoors forever. Indoor plant doesn't mean that they will remain indoors all the time. You have to expose them to the outdoor environment. I take out my plants twice a week and expose them to the morning sun because the morning sun is soft. Do not expose your plant to the harsh afternoon sun. So keep that in mind. You can keep your plants outdoors for 2 to 3 hours and then you can bring it back. So you can do this once or twice a week. Do not overwater your plants. Always check the soil with your finger. If your soil feels dry, then you can water your plants, and if your soil feels moist, then do not water. Overwatering will kill your plant. I hope my tips will be helpful for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a thumbs up. I hope you all are inspired to grow plants in your house. And thanks for watching. Happy gardening.